Kublai pi baro ngi pedang sengo bhai pi ka thup kubar menta ka janmit shwaban phai ki kubar ki babnya ngi ni pechwai ki mat bakong san wanra ka lok sabha ya ka no confidence motion par shai ka sarkar On pediang ya karai ban shim daga nomination committee ong unong yalam ka UDP uba medba lingdo lapelong ya ka workshop halor ka agroecology learning circles and natural resource management approaches Balarake kalingko sniyap ka baprapu ar jong Rabindranath Tagore daka Jet Bhumi Shillong bat ka Rilbong Sports and Cultural Club. Kikubor ki babnya ka Lok Sabha kalawan ra ya ka no confidence motion per sha ka sarkar ya kani ka yeng la penlong biang hadian bala pensange ha ka por khat ar baje minsngi UMP ka seng Congress Gaurav Gogoi ulas dang ka jingatai ha kani ka motion ulong ka seng INDIA ka blaya sunrop lang kalawan ra ya ka no confidence motion naga benta ka Manipur namar ka ne ka jala ka dawai ka hok ulabu jingkali babale umentri rangba ka riu Narendra Modi shim la le jungo ya ka Manipur haduk menta Ulong ba jui halor ka jing penpia ha pedeng ki artli ki jaj ben riu ha Manipur. Habaya shim benta ha ka jing atai. Unishi kan Dubai naga seng BJP ulabu jingkali kala halor ka jing along ka we jong ka INDIA ka badang shidep thau thamai. Ulai nuksa ya ki por ki bala lech ha ka por ka jing sin charge ka seng Congress kilami ishibon ki jing ujuar bala penshitom ya ki nong yalam ka liang persha kan thup ya ka Samajwadi Party RJD bat ka TMC. Unong yalam kaseng United Democratic Party uba medba lingdo ulong baun hap ban diang ye kanu ka rai ka ban shim daga nomination committee naga benta ban jiet yu president batmai lembat kinokit kam jang kaseng ka nomination committee kan sapen bana halor ka rai ka ban mi naga general council meeting jong kaseng ka ban long haka khat artrik menta unailar ulong baka jing jiet ikinokit kam ki batmai kan long ka ba yat bai yat runti katkum ka riti pen ya jang kaseng
army from some section of the, leaders in the party felt that I have to continue. I will definitely continue. But to me, personally, if you ask this question, I would say straight away that we will be having the regional council on the 12th, this coming Saturday. So, as far as the practice and as far as the constitution is concerned, the council will be held and the nomination committee, those who are the members in the nomination committee, will have a say as far as this part is concerned. Not only president, but other office bearers also.
Yaka state level workshop on agroecology, learning circles and natural resource management approaches lapelong hinekasngi. Yakaneka workshop la snok tilang happening ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency barka North-East Slow Food and Agro Biodiversity Society. Kanes fast haka project jongka klawanra ekaphang jongka ALCS nagabenta banya shakmat haka ban kantiu ikinong shongshnong haka liang ka jingnang jingtip bat ban ai shaki yakarin san banya samlang yi jingtip tanrai kaphang pedeng jongka ni workshop kalong ban penyat be yadunti yaka jingnang jingtip habaro kiliang.
While to have a form of physical concept is made to share and learn from each other about new school program, decision making.
Trying to see how basically how the problems these farmers are facing, whether they are able to identify their own problems and then how those problems were being addressed earlier, and then wherever there is a gap, the same is being tried to fix with other innovative ways.
One of the positive response which we have received from this level workshop is the rich knowledge we are still yet to find it more. We have a lot of knowledge that we have been able to document, but now there are much more knowledge that needs to be documented. And then the second response that we received from the committee is the need for more kind of cross learning across different communities.
Kalingku singiyap ka ba prapu ar jung nong tho bar khrau perkhat u Rabindranath Tagore lapinlong da ka Jit Bhumi Shillong bat ka Rilbong Sports and Cultural Club. Yakani ka program lapinlong Hajit Bhumi ka balong ka yeng jong u Tagore. U Menteri Barim Badekmi ia katnat Puliputi u Manas Chowdhury ulalong u Kongsan bat ulapan pau shaprang shapang kijing ya lenti u Tagore ko mu nong tho baru balano sinyang ling ba ka rukom im bat ki kam jong u. Additional Deputy Commissioner ikong HML Kentai la play ka intensified Indra Dhanush immunization 5.0 ka badan chis pa jingtia hakala sngi ublay ha MCH Hospital Panaliar Jowai. Haba ajing kran ha tiga sngi ka kong Kenta ka balong ka kongsan kalaong baya ka jingerap na ka benta ka jing aitika on penlong hagi lightly kiwat na ka benta henriu sngi habala ka way pagaway ka jaka sumar ka baom dan kamban siu. Kala penslur ya ki pa ba kilong kimi ki ba armet bakin syam ya kani kalat bakin yo ya jing ai inject ha ka IMI ka badan marjan bat ki jaka sumar ya kani ka program la penya de Dr. M Singkon District Surveillance Officer Laingot ki brio ki bamshim lala ban ithu ki badeng de ki mas kila thang ya ka truck dumper bat ka ka transit mixer ka bade jong ka company na Russia ka vers res deni ka bade ru ka company ka pentre ya ka surok nanong stoin shawa kaji kani kalaja ha ka porshi baje jo ka step hinyu tarik katkum ka kurwa na kani ka company la ya thuwa bu nongnya obadang thia ha po jong ka te ka trok ula sngaw ya ka jing khlut ka bawan na po jo ka trok but ondaw la khi na bathia ula ple wang ya ka jing khang ban plat im la di but ha ka ta ka por ula kum khinyat yu wei ubreu bamla ban ithu ubayeng shabar jong ka trok henry omla satya ban ithu yu na bawlaka ya la ka dor khman Mentapat ngin pe ke jinglong jingman ka sin beneng hasulong. Kajing shit kalong arfun 0.8 degree Celsius bar kajing kriat kalong khat pra point pra degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong sanpu pra nak shis pa men step but sanpu san nak shis pa janmet. Kala bandan kajing hap slap ka ba malumala ha ki babon ki jaka. Shwaban poish ka bakut jeng thup khubor ngini pej biang sai shisiani kimat bakongsan. Wanra ka Lok Sabha ya ka no confidence motion persya ka sarkar. On pedang ya ka rai ban shim da ka nomination committee ong no yalam ka UDP uba medba lingdo Lapinlong ya ka workshop halor ka agroecology, learning circles and natural resource management approaches. Balarakhi ka lingko singiyap ka baprapu ar jong Rabindranath Tagore da ka Jit Bhumi Shillong bat ka Rilbong Sports and Cultural Club. Di parlok da kituki kubor ngila poish ka bakut jong thup kubor jong ibenta ka janmiat hadu bangi de syam yang bat pila syai ka sngi kublai pi baro.